When the prime meridian of Greenwich has the sun at the highest point in the sky, all the places along this meridian will have midday. Or if you see on the globe the grid of the parallels of latitude and meridians of longitude on the globe, you can locate any point on the globe very easily if you know its longitude and latitude. Now we will revise the definition of latitudes and longitudes. The meaning of latitudes. These are imaginary circles running parallel to the equator. Now longitude. A longitude is the angular distance of a place east or west of the prime. Now latitudinal and longitudinal extension of India. First is latitudinal extension. See on the screen. From north to south, 37 degree 6 minutes north to 8 degree 4 minutes north. Listen carefully. 8 degree 4 minutes north. Then longitudinal extension from east to west, 68 degree 7 minutes east to 97 degree 25 minutes east. Now listen carefully. We write from both side east and again both side north n, because India exists in northern eastern hemisphere. That's why we write both side north and then both side. Now extent of India in. Now distance measured in kilometer. The actual distance measured from north to south is 3214 kilometer, and that from east to west is only 2933 kilometers. If you work out the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of India, they are roughly about 30 degrees. But the north-south extent from Kashmir to Kanyakumari is about 3200 kilometers, and the east-west extent from Arunachal Pradesh to Kutch is about 2900 kilometers. Why is the north-south extent of India larger than its east-west extent, even though the country's latitudinal and longitudinal extent in degree is the same values? Because its distance per latitude is larger than the distance per longitude. Now see on the screen, we will revise this difference from the two diagrams from latitudes and longitudes. What is the reason for this difference? And the answer is, this is the because of the nature of the latitudes and the longitudes. On the other hand, the longitudes are not parallel lines, and the difference between the lines vary means differ from equator to the poles. See on the screen. The latitudinal and longitudinal extent of India is almost 30 degrees. But the difference between north and south distance and the east-west distance is almost 300 kilometers. This is because of the nature of the latitudes and the longitudes. The distance between two is fixed between any 2 points and does not vary means differ according to the area or shape of the earth. On the other hand, the longitudes are not parallel lines, and the distance between the lines vary from equator to the poles. The distance is minimum at the poles and maximum. Now the next, longitudes and time. The best means of measuring time is by the movement of the earth, the moon and the planets. The sun regularly rises and sets every day and naturally. It is the best timekeeper throughout the world. Local time can be reckoned by the shadow cast by the sun, which is the shortest at noon and longest at sunrise and sunset. When the prime meridian of Greenwich has the sun at the highest point in the sky, all the places along this meridian will have midday or noon. As the earth rotates from west to east, those places east of Greenwich will be ahead of Greenwich time and those to the west will be behind. The rate of difference can be calculated as follows. The earth rotates 360 degrees in about 24 hours, which means 15 degrees an hour or 1 degree in 4 minutes. Thus, when it is 12 noon at Greenwich, the time at 15 degrees east of Greenwich will be 15 multiply 4 is equal to 60 minutes, i.e. 1 hour ahead of Greenwich time, which means 1 p.m. But at 15 degrees west of Greenwich, the time will be behind Greenwich time by 1 hour, i.e. it will be 11 a.m. Similarly, at 180 degree, it will be midnight when it is 12 noon at Greenwich. At any place, a watch can be adjusted to read 12 o'clock when the sun is at the highest point in the sky, i.e. when it is midday. The time shown by such a watch will give the local time for that place. You can see that all the places on the given meridian of longitude have the same. You are very familiar with the concept of Indian Standard Time. As you know north to south distance and east to west distance, then which places in India experience sunrise first and last respectively? Answer is Arunachal Pradesh experiences sunrise first and the Saurashtra in Gujarat last. The sun rises 2 hours earlier in Arunachal Pradesh as compared to Gujarat in the west, but the watches show the same time. How does this happen? And next, why is there a difference of 2 hours in local time between the easternmost part of Arunachal Pradesh and western part of Gujarat? To understand both these questions, you should know about longitude and time and Indian Standard Time. So what is Indian Standard Time? Let me tell you. Why do we have Standard Time? The local time of places which are not different meridians are bound to differ. For example, it will be difficult to prepare a timetable for trains which cross several longitudes. In India, for instance, there will be a difference of about 1 hour and 45 minutes in the local times of Dwarka in Gujarat and Dibrugarh in Assam. It is therefore necessary to adopt the local time of some central meridian of a country as the standard time for the country. In India, the longitude of 82.5 degree east is treated as the standard meridian. The local time at this meridian is taken as the standard time for the whole country. It is known as the Indian Standard. 82 degree 30 minutes east longitude represents the standard meridian of India. Why has India selected a standard meridian of India with an odd value of 82 degree 30 minutes east? And the answer is because it is divisible by 7 degree 30 minutes, a standard adopted by almost all the countries of the world. It lies almost in the middle of India and as such it suits us the most. Now we will revise both questions from the map through diagram. The first question, the sun rises 2 hours earlier in the Arunachal Pradesh as compared to Gujarat in the west, but the watches show the same time. How does this happen? And next question, why is there a difference of 2 hours in local time between the easternmost part of Arunachal Pradesh and the westernmost part of Gujarat? And the answer is because the standard meridian of India passing through Mirzapur means Uttar Pradesh is taken as the standard time for the whole country. Second, the local time of a place is calculated on the basis of the overhead sun. The sun rises 2 hours earlier in Arunachal Pradesh as compared to Gujarat in the west. And same like in Jaisalmer, Dibrugarh and so on. Why we need a standard meridian for India? Explain. The Indian Standard Time has a great importance. It has prevented a lot of confusion and has brought harmony in time throughout the country. The local time at each longitude is different. So, in order to follow one timing, India has accepted the 82 degree 30 minutes east as a standard meridian of